Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RVs here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe and follow along with us and give us that thumbs up. Today we're excited to bring you a 2023 Radiance Ultralight by CruiserRV, model number 27RE. So here we go. The length on this Radiance travel trailer is 31 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 6,792 pounds, and that hitch weight is 792.
Well, let's just go ahead and give you a look here at their outside storage. Very nice outside storage. You'll see that this is going to have another storage tray inside. I'll show you what that looks like when we get around to the other side. You are going to have a slide here on this side. Coming to the front, this is what the other side of your pass-through storage is going to look like in this tray that flips open like that and
Rolls right out.
Comes right out. Very nice. This is going to have electric stabilizers. Nice power awning with an LED light strip, and you do have a slide out on your campsite. So let's go inside and take a look at this Radiance. Coming on in, you'll see that this is going to be a rear living unit. So we'll start back here at the back. On one of your slide outs, you're going to have a sofa. I believe this is going to be a trifold. Let's see.
Yes.
Yes. So it will make into some additional sleeping area.
Yeah, there it is.
Very nice. Big windows all the way around it. Right at the very back of your unit is going to be your entertainment center. Your TV is mounted right up there. You have your sound bar right below it. Nice windows on both sides. Storage across the back. I do like all of this storage back here.
Wow.
Very nice. And they give you an electric fireplace, and you have some nice accent lighting down there underneath. Something I like that Radiance does, I don't know how well this will show up, but down here at the bottom, they actually trim this off with like little legs, so it looks more like actual furniture instead of a camper. Your TV is going to come out and swivel around.
Yeah, so you can watch it kind of either side.
Yes, from either side. Your front slide out is going to contain your entertainment, theater seating with a removable table, and this just slides right out of that bracket for storage. Cup holders, you got some storage there to stash your remotes or your M&Ms, whatever you like to hide away. Also, you've got a little cubby storage right here. This has got a USB port in it, so this is a perfect location to charge your phones, your tablets, or anything like that. Right next to this, still in your slide, you're going to have a couple of storage areas here.
Maybe, I guess, for your pantry, right there.
Yes, your pantry, and that's very deep storage. And finishing out this front slide is going to be a 12-volt compressor fridge. And you will notice that there is no carpet in these slides. This is actually a woven marine grade mat, so it's very easy to clean.
Okay, I like this kitchen setup.
Yeah, I've got to back up so you guys can see.
Wow.
This really nice, almost a U-shaped kitchen. Nice solid surface countertops. Right here, you've got storage. You're going to have your heat duct coming out there. In the kitchen, storage below your sink. Nice big single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. You've got storage up above it. course, your microwave is going to be mounted right above your 3-burner cooktop
Hood range.
with an oven.
Hood range.
Have a little bank of drawers right here.
That is awesome.
And some more
More
storage.
storage here. Wow.
Very nice. But so you have lots of prep space.
You talking about Taco Tuesday?
Yeah, that's great for a buffet right there. That is very, very nice. Okay, let me back up one more time. I want to show you that this has got slightly barrel type ceiling, so that gives you some extra height in here. Super, super nice. They give you these hooks right here as you come in the door, so somewhere for you to hang your coat up. All right.
Here we go.
This is going to have a walk-through bathroom. All right, and Jeremy is 6 feet tall, and since this ceiling barrels just a little bit, that actually gives you a little extra headroom in there.
I like it.
So you will have a shower curtain. It's just not up at the moment. Your foot flush toilet is going to be right down here. And when you close the door, you'll see your linen cabinet is going to be behind the door.
Oh, my goodness.
Big medicine cabinet. Very good vanity area. And you've got storage down here below it.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, very nice.
Very nice walk-through bath.
All right. Moving into the main bedroom. Cruiser has this slide system for their beds. So if you're by yourself or if you just need more space on one side, you can slide it all the way over. You've got storage up here above. Nice light underneath. You've got some little storage cubbies under each side. And let's see, they have an open storage below, don't they?
Yes.
Yes. Let's see if I can show you that. So there's underneath.
And also, they have this little section.
And right back here, tucked away in this corner, they have a mirror and a little area for you can put your hairspray or stuff like that. Some storage down here below.
Wow.
And your TV, if you want to add it, will go up here in this corner. And again, this bed, like I said, we've got it slid over to one side. You can put it in the center. You can slide it all the way over to the other side. So however you need to configure that, it will work. And it is a king size bed.
Yeah. All right.
Super nice. All right.
This is kind of a little different floor plan. All right, everybody. If you like this Radiance travel trailer, the dealership's information will be down in the description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us. And also, we've got a Facebook page. So follow us on Facebook, J&A Reviews. So thanks, everybody.